In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in n8n. Whether you're managing your workflows on n8n's cloud platform or your own self-hosted instance, this guide will provide you with clear instructions to help you remove any unwanted projects efficiently and confidently. First, let's begin by logging into your n8n account. Depending on your setup, you'll either enter your credentials for the n8n cloud workspace or for your self-hosted n8n instance. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by the familiar n8n dashboard, which serves as the hub for all your automation projects and workflows. Now let's navigate to the project you wish to delete. Within n8n, you will find a project selector or possibly a sidebar where all your current projects are listed. Browse through this list until you find the specific project you want to remove. Click on it, which will open up the project for further actions. With the project open, let's proceed to access the project settings. On n8n, this is often a straightforward process. Look for an option labeled Project Settings. This is typically displayed on your interface, making it easy to find. Clicking on this will take you to a new page where all the settings associated with your project are available for modification. Once inside the project settings, let's move to the final step, deleting the project. Scroll to the bottom of the project settings page. Here you should find a button that says Delete Project. Click on this button to initiate the deletion process. But note, this action is significant as it will remove the project from your workspace or instance. Before the project is permanently deleted, n8n will prompt you to decide what should happen with your existing data. This is an important decision, so consider it carefully. The platform offers you the option to transfer your workflows and credentials to another project. This feature is particularly useful if you want to preserve your data and ensure a smooth transition. If you choose to transfer, you'll then need to select a destination project where these workflows and credentials will be moved. Make sure this destination project is prepared to accommodate the incoming data to prevent any disruptions in your automation processes. And there you have it. We've successfully walked through the steps to delete a project in n8n. Remember, while deleting projects can help organize and optimize your workspace, always double-check your actions to avoid losing any critical data unintentionally. For those instances where data transfer is chosen, ensure that your new project environment is thoroughly set up to accept transferred workflows seamlessly. Thank you for following along, and until next time, keep exploring the efficiency and flexibility that n8n provides for your automation needs.